Now let's dive into the intricacies of our Mudcat dredging machine. If you are curious about its inner workings, then let's talk about what makes this water beast move, the nuts and bolts of how it works. The first part is a critical phase, the site preparation. Have you ever wondered what's the importance in preparing the site? So before we dive into the whole dredging thing, this will be an anchored dredge, and the way it operates is by utilizing a system of strategically placed anchors and cables. These cables, intricately connected to winches, orchestrate a controlled dance, allowing the dredge to move precisely along designated paths. There's no drifting in this performance-only efficiency. Basically, we set up this prime environment that lets the dredge slide through sediment-rich spots, just smooth sailing. You have to make sure everything flows gracefully into the pipe. No bumps on its way. The next procedure is what we call the auger structure. You may wonder, what role do the auger and cutter knives play in this context? Alright, let's break it down. The auger is a big deal in dredging. It's like the go-to tool for digging up sediment super efficiently. Picture it as a guide, swirling around strategically to make sure we get rid of the sediment just right. Now the cutter knives join the party, working together to turn that sediment into a liquid mix called slurry. So the operator, they're like the captain of the ship, steering this tech-savvy dredging machine. Well, the goal is to nail sediment hotspots with precision. This is a well-thought-out routine to pull out sediment like a pro. They're on a mission to tackle sediment in the most efficient way possible. The slurry doesn't just hang around. It takes a trip through a pipeline, like a watery conveyor belt. It's heading to this special spot we've picked out. Now let's talk about efficiency and reliability of the Mudcat. The Mudcat got itself a real reputation down in the mining circles. This thing's the go-to, known for being a reliable and efficient beast, just like a trusty old ranch hand. When it comes to splashing around in the water, it's a standout performer, custom built to take on whatever dredging challenges, especially when we're talking mining. People can't help but sing its praises for the top-notch performance it brings to the table. Tough, reliable, and gets the job done right. The Mudcat isn't just your run-of-the-mill dredge. It's like the MVP of sediment gear making waves in the water game. Now when they're moving that slurry through the pipeline, it's like a road trip, but with a camera keeping tabs on things. If the slurry starts getting too thick, they hit the brakes. Too watery, and it's like they're spinning their wheels. It's all about finding that sweet spot for efficient dredging. You gotta have that laser-focused control to keep things cruising smooth. We are American Underwater Services, a premier dredging company that focuses on precision and cutting-edge technology, specializing in underwater projects. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more engaging content. Your support fuels our commitment to bringing you valuable insights. Thank you for watching.